Hello everybody, I am eating Lucky Charms. It's
Hello.
my first time in America, and let's try it. Yeah, it's good. Here, and they're like loads of different shapes, and if you're lucky, you could get a rainbow. If you're lucky. Bye. Hello everybody, we're at Volcano Bay! And come and watch the fun! Hello guys!
We're in Volcano Bay.
I'm in Florida. I'm going to drop now. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.